Great morning all. I am Dr. Saalai JK Kalpana, connecting with you Siddha Mudra. And today we are going to see a very simple but very effective tips of the persons who have fear. Fear based on nothing. So there are so many types of fear. Maybe some persons will be having fear over any animal, fear over any situation, fear over any person. But there is one type of fear in which there is no reason behind it. They have only the sensation of fear, but there will be no particular reason behind that fear. And first of all, what is the reason for that unusual fear out of nothing? Many people are suffering from this type of fear out of nothing. So the reason behind this, according to our ancient sages and siddhas, they are focusing on our problems through the 5 elements theory. So what is the 5 elements theory telling about fear? This fear comes from lack of water element. So this water element, what is water and what will water do for us? As the macrocosm has water, microcosm or our body is also having water content within us. This water keeps us cool. This water makes us to enjoy our life. When we have a lack of water in our body, we get into the feeling of unusual fear for nothing. So this fear also happens to the persons when they are getting into a condition called epilepsy or fits. Before epilepsy or fits, they will be having an episode called aura. At this episode, what is happening to them is their fear goes to the extreme extent. When it goes to the extreme extent, they get into the condition called fits or epilepsy. So for the persons who are suffering from this condition and also not going to that extent, unusual fear for nothing, they can perform one simple mudra to come out of that fear. So how to perform this mudra? In both your hands, keep your tip of the thumb on the bottom of the little finger. Now fold all your fingers and make a clutch around the thumb. Once again, I will explain. You have to keep your thumb on the bottom of the little finger. Tip of the thumb on the bottom of the little finger, and then completely encircle all the 4 fingers. The thumb must be inside. So this position, when you keep your hands in this position, it increases the water element and also gives you a feeling of safety. So this mudra is called Adi Mudra. Adi means primitive. What does this mudra do to us? And something is special in this mudra. What is that special thing is? This mudra has been performed by us even when we are in the mother's womb. So for so many months we have performed this mudra in the mother's womb, in the darkness, when we are alone but feeling safe within the mother's womb. So this mudra gives you a feeling of safety as though you are within your mother. Please try this mudra who have fear for unknowing things. So fear for nothing, but you will have a fear imbibed in you for no reason. This Adi Mudra can be performed starting from 5 minutes to 20 minutes whenever you have the feeling of fear. Otherwise else, you can also perform it regularly, twice daily for at least 1 month to get rid of your fear. Try this mudra and post your comment if you have won the fear. Become fearless from fear. Thank you all.